Hi. This week, our meditation topic is myself who gets frustrated. When I reflect back on the topic, the first thing that comes to mind is the physical sensation that comes over me when the emotion hits. My thoughts start to race, my heart rate rises, there's irritability, impatience. Frustration feels physically uncomfortable. I do recognize a pattern when it comes to frustration, and it's usually centered around misunderstandings and miscommunications. If there were situations where my intentions weren't understood, or vice versa, someone did or said something that I really couldn't wrap my head around, I would become frustrated. My body would respond and immediately go into a defensive state, most of the time triggering arguments and a deeper separation between us. So at this point, I can't say that I'm completely free from the trigger, but I can say that it is a lot better. I understand very clearly where my frustrations are stemming from, and every day, bit by bit, I'm throwing away and letting go of the attachment I have to them. I really find myself having far more patience, and there's room to pause and to try and understand where the other person is coming from. I realize that I really cannot begin to understand the other person unless I make an effort to walk in their shoes. And because of this meditation, I'm able to slow down, be patient, and not be so quick to react, have compassion for others and even for myself. So these days, I'm really happy, I'm grateful, and I'm so blessed to have found this meditation and have found a real lasting way to change. And I'm genuinely comfortable, content, and free. Thank you for listening.